Understanding, Weigh One's Chances, a guide to making decisions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, weigh one's chances. This is a fascinating expression that can help you sound more like a native speaker and improve your decision-making vocabulary. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to weigh one's chances. The phrase, weigh one's chances, is used when someone is evaluating or considering the likelihood of success or failure in a particular situation. To weigh, in this context, means to assess or evaluate. And chances refer to the possibilities or probabilities of something happening. Together, this phrase suggests a careful consideration of all factors involved in a situation to estimate the odds of success. You might use weigh one's chances in various contexts. For example, before making a significant decision, such as applying for a job, starting a new project, or entering a competition. It's particularly useful in situations where the outcome is uncertain, and you need to consider both the positive and negative aspects before proceeding. Let's look at how to use weigh one's chances in sentences. 1. Before entering the contest, she decided to weigh her chances of winning, considering the number of participants and her level of preparation. 2. The team took a moment to weigh their chances of success before pitching the idea to the investors, considering the market competition and investor interests. 3. He hesitated to make a bet until he had thoroughly weighed his chances of winning, considering the odds and his knowledge of the game. For English language learners, understanding and using phrases like weigh one's chances can add depth to your conversations and writings. Here are a few tips. Practice using this phrase in different scenarios to become comfortable with its usage. Pair it with other decision-making vocabulary to enrich your English language skills. Listen to native speakers or watch movies to hear how and when they use this phrase. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of weigh one's chances. It's a powerful expression that can enhance your decision-making discussions and make your English sound more nuanced. Remember, learning a language is all about practice, so try incorporating this phrase into your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos. Happy learning!